Because of nice weather, I decided to walk at the beach and not drive. And frankly speaking, a little bit scary because of if in winter, in February, weather like this, maybe 28 degrees, maybe 25, what kind of weather will be at summer? Like in hell, probably, but it's not for sure. So from my place to the beach, maybe 1.5 kilometer walking, and it's not a problem because I told you I like walking. It's very good for health and for mood, and that's all. You see my way to the beach. And today, in the second part of the day, I will start my moving to a new apartment. Very nice place with very nice sea view. Frankly speaking, I dreamed about a place like this with so nice balcony, so nice. So today I will start moving a little bit. Not in a hurry because my contract with this apartment start at 1st of March. If you're interested in all process, how you can rent apartment in Israel, you can ask me. I will tell you in a new video. It's not so easy, but it's possible. And I hope this new apartment will be my new home, cozy, quiet, and I hope I will be happy there. We can see old buildings, old houses. Nothing new. It's the first houses which built in Ashkelon for people, oldest. And there we can see a new house. So it's mix between old buildings and new buildings, new apartments, new houses. And this is military base. Frankly speaking, I'm not sure if I can make a video with this. Maybe it's not allowed. I don't know. I will try not make video with this because it's not good. Ashkelon, it's a nice city. From one hand, it's a nice city for living, for family living, and for the other hand, it's very quiet. It's not like in Tel Aviv. And other things which not so good, it's that Ashkelon it's too close to Gaza, and when war in Israel start, here not quiet. A lot of sirens, azakot, how we call it, azakot, and we should go to mamad, safe room. But Frankly speaking, it's not so dangerous. You just need to do what you need to do, and that's all. Here we can see area with private houses, villas. Very nice. My dream is live in house like this, with swimming pool, with little garden, with fruit tree, with nice plants. But it's very expensive. In Israel, everything very expensive. Extremely expensive. I don't know why, frankly speaking. For me, it's I don't know answer on this question. You see everywhere trees, fruits, trees with lemons, oranges, grapefruits. And now soon will be for spring it's only one day, and spring in Israel very beautiful because all plants became with flowers, start a lot of flowers everywhere. So beautiful. I will show you. This is not example, this is just something. It's just something. Something. We're almost there. We're almost at the beach.